It's review time. Today we will be doing top picks Jeff Hardy. So, this is Jeff Hardy. Turn it around. We have a picture of him. I think that's supposed to be Shelton Benjamin, I think. There's info. We only have 3 figures in the set, which is weird. 3 shots. And there's his punishment. Because with a original, these we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Including the figure that is in there. It's in the set. So yeah, let's open them up. Whoa, my camera went off focus. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at Jeff Hardy's accessories, and we're gonna take a closer look at Jeff Hardy. So let's get him out here. Put him by the example that I'm gonna show. So we have the shirt, sleeve shirt. We got the Hardy Boy's hand, and we got 2 of them. A towel, and we got fisted hands out of the packaging. So let's take a look at the Jeff Hardy. Alright, so base scan looks like Jeff Hardy. Got double jointed arms, as you can see. See, double jointed arms, kind of like position. Got the chest ad thing. Got a blue and yellow belt. You got light blue arm sleeves. Got like eyes, I guess, eyes on the side. Yeah. Got black pants, and they got those cincher white boots. So yeah. Now get into Jeff Hardy's comparisons. Okay, so we got the SummerSlam Elite. We got 2 to 100 Jeff Hardy, and we have the top picks Jeff Hardy. Now for other comparisons, we got Kane. Comparison. We got Jeff Hardy and Undertaker. And finally, just for fun, we have Sammy Guevara and Jeff Hardy. So that was Jeff Hardy, and now I'm going to make the thumbnail photo. Alright, so that was the top picks Jeff Hardy. I just created the thumbnail picture. So yeah, bye. Bye, creatures.